Everyone's Verrill here, Flo out of Portland, helping a homeowner take a look at their roof. The inspector told them they had a couple years left a couple years ago, and just to give them a little confirmation on how we flow, on what we think here, and to take a look. So first impressions, some moderate granular loss. We already know it's 2 layers, and my goddamn ankle, oh, screwed it up on a flippin' flat roof earlier last week. So cap metals not looking too good. They're concerned with the chimney and some of those details. It's a shared space with a duplex, and you know, they could do something about it. I don't like that this dormer here doesn't have any ventilation as well. And we got temporary collars over on that boot, which means that's failed. I've got questions about this safety anchor. And as well, look at all this. Some repair attempts in the past. Good golly. Oh, I feel like an old man. Temporary collars around those boots too on the south side. Means only one thing. Hip and ridge cap looking a little tired. Are the shingles completely shot? No, but every year you wait is the year you get closer to the potential that you can start running into issues. So all right, look at that view. Oh, there goes the tram. We've got crews up in Vancouver right now servicing a multifamily property, doing some gutter cleaning because you can't really do anything else in this weather. And you got spring right around the corner. The magnolias are popping off. The plums are going nuts. You know, those apples, I think, along the way there. The maples are starting to pop. And, you know, the fir trees are eventually going to start blowing their pollen loads too. So, excuse me, it's a vulgar statement, but I love the spring. It's the best time of the year, and it's generally because we can finally get back to roofing, you know, for the most part. So next week we'll mobilize all trucks, get all crews flowing. We've signed up another multifamily property on gutter services. We're working with another property manager to make sure that they get the best value, best bang for their buck on their replacement. And we've got a waterfront property down yonder on the right side of OTSU. We're looking at doing a walk for this afternoon. It'll be a second site walk to confirm details on some of the ballast systems for a PVC layover. And then one of those roofs there out yonder in downtown, we have an upcoming maintenance plan service coming up. And then that same portfolio manager had asked us to take a look at one of his other properties, who is a partner GC of ours, who we've worked with on other properties. They also work together and they all loved each other, so we're all trying to flow together. It's nice, small world. And Britney, our bisdev guru queen, has created an event that eventually we will release here soon that I think a lot of people will be stoked on here in Northwest Portland. And then what else? We've got, I think we're going to pop off with a couple replacements next week, early half. And then we've got gutters flowing throughout, all that in the mix, services and maintenance. We'll keep a repair squad on the side, have all replacement crews move forward on those. We'll send flat roof team deck down to Lake O to finish up there. Probably going to have in there a couple weeks to wrap up. And everyone's starting to get their inspections. You know, it's the time to be shopping. There's a price increase right around the corner, April 1st. And so, you know, I think there's some aspects of this roof I would like to have seen differently. They want us to take a look at the chimney details as well, so I'm going to take a peek around the corner and You know, they could squeeze some life out of this system. We're all in favor of saving money here for folks. It's just roofs are never getting cheaper. So it's like, do you want to wait and spend more? You know, a roof of this size, plus or minus, with the price increase, it's about $300 to $600 every time the prices go up, roughly, and then more if it's a bigger roof. So no point in waiting. But I just want to go surfing. I wish this ankle would heal up. There's some good looking waves out there, and obviously the sun's not shining, but oh, and then the first time ever in Flow history, we had a double shoot rental week. It was beautiful. I was like, why is the parking lot so empty? Oh yeah, we got teamed up in Seattle. Shoots are gone. Damn, okay. So anywho, big things flowing. Spring right around the corner. Gonna keep you guys updated. Catch you on the next one. Ciao.